How to turn on NFC on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on NFC on your iPhone 18. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. If you've searched for NFC in your iPhone settings and couldn't find it, don't worry. NFC is available, but it's not listed as a separate toggle in the settings. Open the Settings app and try searching for NFC in the search bar. If you don't see it, no problem. The feature is built in and works through the Shortcuts app. Now open the Shortcuts app and tap on the Automation tab at the bottom. Tap Create Personal Automation to begin. Scroll down and select NFC from the list. Tap Scan and hold your iPhone near any NFC tag to register it. Give the tag a name if prompted. Tap Next, and then select an action that will run when the NFC tag is scanned. For best results, enable Run After Confirmation to ensure smooth operation. And that's it! Now your iPhone 18 is ready to scan NFC tags using the Shortcuts app. That's all for the video. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.